Guys, that is so good.
We just made that from scratch.
Wow.
What do you think?
Nice. You know what I like about it? It's so spicy and has that spice aroma.
Oh,
And you can
fantastic.
taste the coconut as well.
I'm telling you, you have to try this recipe at home. Hey folks, we are making jollof rice from scratch. Special one today, coconut jollof.
Yay.
Using our delightful Varo Jollof Sauce. We're going to show you how quick and easy it is to have jollof rice. This is sunflower oil, and then I'm going to put some onions, putting that in. And then I'm going to add the tomato paste. And now I'm adding the rice, simple, as easy as this. Give it a good stir. Find it is the best rice to use for jollof rice, golden Sella basmati rice. The water in now. You see that lovely, rich, saucy, tomatoey flavor with the onions. And our Varo Jollof Sauce is going to give it all the flavor it needs. Now we are adding the coconut milk. Children will love it. We're just going to leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. We found that to give things smoky flavor, manufacturers add something called liquid smoke. And our mama and I were horrified. We went through so much trouble and great care to make sure that when we were making the rice, it had no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Because guys, that's how you get traditional smoky jollof. We give it to burn at the bottom. We're nearly there, guys. We are going to put it to the taste test now. Give it to all the attendees of the avenue and see what they think.
Yay. I'm filming you, filming us. We just made that from scratch.
Wow. With the sauce. I did that the other day.
Did you?
Yeah,
Oh, with the sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I do all the time.
How'd it come out?
Nice. You know what I like about it? You don't need too much of time to do a deep whatever. I think it's so spicy and has that spice aroma.
Oh,
And you can
fantastic.
taste the coconut as well.
So that's the sauce we used to make it. And that is the ready-to-eat version.
And it's brilliant for bolognese.
Yes!
Yay!
Yeah, we're so, proud of what Varo is doing, and
yeah.
I'm always rooting for you. So well done.
I'm telling you, you have to try this recipe at home. Coconut jollof rice using medium Varo jollof sauce.